Today is the big day. It's the day we've been waiting for all year long for the biggest competition. It's the barbecue competition. We're starting out early, still early in the morning. Probably everybody's still asleep except our pit masters. They've been awake since 4 a.m. starting to smoke. And what we're gonna do now is actually go over to their homes and check out their kitchens, their equipment, and their meats. Guys, it's 9 o'clock and we are already late. The barbecue guys have been smoking since 4 a.m. We're about to check out holy smokes. Khalid, we're coming. We're coming.
Morning, guys. I've been working late at night, loading up the briskets in anticipation for Tara and Ola and the camera crew to come over and check out what we have in store for today. Quite excited. I've got 2 Kamados running because there's always better results with redundancies. Obviously, I can select the meats that I want. So, but I'm also excited to showcase my backyard and my arsenal. I think they might be on the way, so we'll catch up with you soon. Cheers.
So how do you know that somebody is completely obsessed with this barbecue? Have a look over here. What are you using on your cook today?
Salt.
Just salt and pepper, that's it.
I dry brined it for half a day in the dry aging fridge for a bit, just for space. And I'm smoking it, I think, at about 200 on average for 12, 13 hours. That's the nice thing about having a Holy Smokes Kamado is that you can control the temperature, you can get some rest, you can get a few hours of sleep. It was windy yesterday and it rained a bit, so that kind of messed up my plan.
So we're at Fizo's house now. We're about to go in and see what
number 2.
Yeah, contestant number 2. We're about to see what he's gonna do. Let's go.
I started actually a long time ago on this little guy here. It's the first generation kettle. We all started on the kettle, first generation. I've done a couple of briskets on this thing. They're not as good, cooking 10 hours and so. Lockdown. I got it during lockdown and then I modified it with this latch and proper door. It's basically a barbecue board, but it's a different take on the barbecue board. It's very simple. It's just brisket slices, some burnt ends, and a few slices of my infamous chicken breast, smoked chicken breast.
So we just visited Fizo's. It looks so juicy, Sarah, it looks amazing. But he's doing a sample platter, guys. He's not only doing the brisket, he has some chicken and burnt ends.
I think that's gonna be the interesting part, right? He's adding chicken to a brisket platter. So that's a risky move, but it's his go-to. Everybody that's tried it raves about it. So let's see what the judges are gonna kind of feel about that. Get in the car. Next up is Mahir. Let's go, guys. Well, I've decided to join the competition with the pastrami, the Reuben sandwich. I for one prefer pastrami any day of the week over briskets. Some people like briskets, some people like pastrami. I like the explosion of flavors in a pastrami sandwich. When you bite to that sandwich, the tart-iness of the sauerkraut, the tanginess of the pickle, the spiciness and sweetness of the sauce, and the saltiness of the pastrami. Melted in your mouth pastrami. Vote for me, guys.
Hi guys, so we're back at Cucina headquarters where the competition's happening, and we are with Marwan, who flew in from Lebanon, and he got his smoker in Abu Dhabi. Last minute meat setup, last minute smoke. I don't know, there's a lot going on, a lot to deal with. I'm stressed on his behalf, so let's see what he's up to.
Hello guys, how are you? My name is Marwan Sharaf. I'm the owner of Smoke and Barrel, where I smoke meats in a barrel as well. First of all, I want to thank Cucina Del Sul for having us at this beautiful competition. Today I'll be making the soft shell tacos, smoked brisket with some chili, honey, truffle and chipotle. Hopefully you guys like it, and I wish all the best to all the other competitors. And I'm very, very excited to be here today, and I can't wait for you guys to see what we have in store. Thank you very much.
Hi!
Hi, how are you? Good, tiring trip. I just arrived last night for the competition. No, this was actually in Abu Dhabi, so I had to arrange a pickup to get it. Yesterday, it came I think at like 2 a.m. And I woke up today and I was trying to, also the meat supplier wasn't answering, Sunday's closed.
So we're starting the fire هلا.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah.
2 p.m. yeah? Oh my God. You're sorted now.
I'm sorted, yeah. Hopefully just the timing, hopefully timing plays on my side. And I'm just gonna stay positive.
The meat is a surprise. I will wait for Tariq to reveal what I'm cooking today. It has been on the grill for the past 5 hours. Can't wait until it's done to show you the end result. Hey, how are you? Good? Good, how are you? Hi, how are you? So do you have an idea what I'm doing today? It's US prime beef cheeks. Honestly, I think this is one of the best cuts, and it's highly disregarded by people. If it is cooked well, it is super juicy and tender. I love it more than I love a brisket. So in 20 minutes, we start preparing today's dish. We are making beef cheek tacos. Here, so you can see the beef cheeks, shredded beef cheeks. We'll have avocado crème with homemade pickled onions, also mango pico de gallo.
Pretty excited to be here. It's going to be an awesome day. Got some of the best cooks in the community, so stoked to be here, to be honest. Doing some beef cheeks today, smoked and then braised. A little sweet and tangy, steamed bao buns, avocado chutney, and a mango salsa. So we'll see how that tastes.
Hey there, I'm Troy. We're back again. We're doing this. It's hot to trot. Look at meat and dishes happening around here. Very excited to be back. See this competition, and see where it can take these guys. Summer is not here yet. Winter is, we're hanging on to it. It's good to be involved, and it's good to see these people here supporting it. So looking forward to it all.
Guys, my name is Hatem Matar. I look forward to trying your food. I'm proud of everything that you guys have accomplished, proud of Cucina, proud of the USDA team, and I look forward to an incredible night.
I'm Shaw. I'm the chef and owner at Lila Taqueria. And more importantly today, I'm a Texan, born and raised. And so I'm obviously thrilled to get a chance to taste everybody's food. I think it's going to be really fun.
Hi everyone, you're looking at a Texas barbecue platter, mainly with brisket burn ends and Texas style brisket, salt and pepper, smoked for 14 hours on oak. So I prepared a bit of a platter. It's typical condiments that go along. A lot of the people usually like to eat buns, but I encourage you to try the meat. The burn ends are the point side of the brisket with a bit of butter and barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce is homemade, has a bit of a tang and a bit of a spice, the way I like it.
As you can see, I'm serving today smoked brisket, some brisket cubes from the point muscle, smoked chicken, which is absolutely my favorite. My own take on batata harra, which is like a Lebanese potato dish, but it's not the same, it's just a take on it, and some coleslaw just to cut the taste a little bit, to reset the palate.
I like to think of myself as a saucer. I always like to experiment with new spices, new flavors. Also, sometimes doing things non-traditional way. The pastrami has been traditional. It's been brined for 8 days almost, with pickling spice, juniper berries, bay leaves, ground mace. Was difficult to find in Dubai, by the way. It's illegal. It's from a German baker. I didn't bake it myself, but it's a mix of, it's a rye bread mixed with sourdough.
Done a soft shell flour tortilla, and then it's topped with chipotle, truffle and sazon, red pickled onions, coriander, and chili honey. So the brisket, it's an American Angus brisket. I was running low on time, so I smoked it around 6 hours. I wrap it up. I couldn't get a bite because I'm putting it apart.
So this is the chiquitas, US beef cheeks, smoked for 8 hours using hickory wood. I'm serving it on flour tortillas with avocado crème, home pickled onions, and mango pico de gallo. So the cilantro is organic, also home planted. The lime is also organic and home planted.
Yeah, so we got smoked beef cheeks for a couple of hours over cherry wood, and then braised with a bit of a sweet sauce, and it's got a sweet rub on it. Then done a mango salsa and avocado chutney.
I think one of the things is everyone was really good, okay? I don't think any of you should get disheartened in any way. These two guys just came out on top tonight. Your dish is beautiful. Everything was there, your flavors, your honey, your chili there, bound it all together. You guys too, both of you had a story. There's a narrative. We need to teach you your narrative.
Guys, I want to say I'm proud of everybody. This kind of cuisine isn't easy. It's not rational oven, set it and forget it. It's not tweezers. It's not cookie cutting baking. That's why they call it cookie cutting, because it's the same every time. Everybody that cooked had something that was bang on the money. Literally everything. There was one thing that everybody made that was 100%. So good job to everybody.
Out of the two categories, the top two will be part of the My Food Story Project. The My Food Story Project is a global cookbook. You get to tell your story, where you got the passion, how you fell in love with food, what makes food sing to you. And you get your picture and your story and your recipe in this book. This book is a collaboration between the USDA and the Department of State. And this book will be distributed by U.S. ambassadors and U.S. consul generals all around the world. So your picture with you and this coffee table book can be sitting on the table of the President of France, or it could be sitting in the White House. It could be sitting with high dignitaries anywhere in the world, and your picture and your story and your recipe will be in it.
So guys, the judges are scoring the live competition. We're gonna get the scores, we're gonna run them.
In first place, with quite a big margin from the judges,
Marwan Zoya.